Hello guys, welcome back to Architectural Intelligence. Today's we are going to learn Align tool in AutoCAD, how this work and how to make it in correct way. The Align command in AutoCAD is one of the most powerful yet underrated tools for accurate drafting. Instead of using move, rotate, and scale separately, Align allows you to do everything in single step with perfect precision. And you can see here the short tutorial in AutoCAD dialog box. Okay, so I just give a command. Here you can see attach 2 point and I didn't scale it, so it's aligned in this line. Like similar, you can choose any point. It's need actually a parallel point. Here you can see. This is how we use Align tool. So let's work on it. The floor plan. Let's suppose here the door, and it's already rotated. Okay, now select one Align tool. There is a 2 point always. You need to make whatever it is in the direction. Now here the bed, if I want to rotate, then I will align the right side wall. Here second point, this anywhere you can here if you don't want the scale. Okay, here another, the if I want to rotate this bed, let's this technique, the rotate direct rotate tool, you need to rotate then move it. Instead of, you can use the Align tool. Here choose 2 point here, second and first. Yeah, correct. This is how we use the Align tool. See you in the next video, and just connect with Architectural Intelligence for more AutoCAD, Rhino, and most important, Revit tutorials. Thanks for watching.